all their support this year. In case you haven't noticed by now, Aravac is bringing the ball in tonight for the ball game. Now that is the way to fly a helicopter. His nose pointing right on the 50-yard line. Going out to accept the game ball is Coach Boshi. We're not familiar with the Aravac services. They have a program that you can sign up for a low monthly payment. They will guarantee you transportation from any accident site or any position to any hospital that you need. That is for you or your family.
What about a ride to work?